Imagine waking up one morning and the sky is wrong, not cloudy, not stormy, wrong. The horizon is dark, but not the soft blue of dawn. It is black, absolute. Stars are visible in the middle of what should be day. The sun, the constant presence that has ruled every moment of life on Earth for over 4 billion years, is gone. No explosion, no warning, just absence. For a few seconds, nothing seems to change. Birds still fly, cars still move, people still rush to work, gravity still holds the planet together. The Earth continues its orbit unaware, for now, that the heart of the solar system has vanished. But the clock has started, and humanity has only 24 hours. The sun is not just a bright object in the sky, it is a massive nuclear reactor, 1.3 million times larger than Earth, producing energy through constant fusion. Every second, it converts hydrogen into helium, releasing unimaginable heat and light. That energy travels across space for about 8 minutes before reaching Earth. It warms our planet, powers weather systems, drives ocean currents, and makes life possible. If the sun suddenly disappeared, Earth would not feel it instantly. Light and gravity travel at the speed of light. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the world would continue as if nothing had happened. Sunlight would still fall on cities, solar panels would still generate power, plants would still photosynthesize. Then, all at once, the last photon would arrive, day would end. Everywhere. Simultaneously, the planet would be plunged into darkness deeper than any night humanity has ever known. There would be no moonlight warming the dayside, because the moon reflects sunlight, and there would be none to reflect. Only starlight would remain, faint and cold. Temperatures would begin to drop almost immediately, not instantly freezing, but steadily, relentlessly. Within the first hour, global average temperatures would fall by several degrees. Winds would intensify as the atmosphere reacted violently to the sudden loss of heat. Weather systems would collapse into chaos. Plants would be the first to suffer. Photosynthesis would stop entirely. Crops across the world would enter emergency survival modes, burning stored energy to stay alive. Some would last hours, others only minutes. Animals would panic. Day-active species would be confused. No sunrise, no sunset, just darkness. Migratory patterns would break. Predators and prey alike would struggle to navigate. Humans, meanwhile, would turn to artificial light. Cities would glow like islands in an endless black sea. Power grids would strain as billions of people reached for heat, light, and answers. Scientists would scramble. Observatories would confirm the impossible. The sun was not hidden, not dimmed, not eclipsed. It was gone. By hour 3, temperatures would continue to fall. Not ice age cold yet, but dangerously fast. The surface of the oceans would begin losing heat, though their vast thermal mass would slow the process. Coastal regions would feel violent storms as temperature gradients intensified. Air traffic would halt. Satellites would malfunction. Solar-powered infrastructure would fail completely. Global communication would become unstable as systems dependent on space-based solar energy shut down. By hour 6, panic would spread. Governments would issue emergency broadcasts, but explanations would be limited. There would be no solution, no technology capable of replacing the sun, even temporarily. At this point, the average surface temperature would be approaching freezing. In some regions, especially inland and polar areas, ice would begin forming rapidly. Rivers would slow, moisture in the air would condense and fall as snow in places that had never seen it before. The biosphere would be entering crisis mode. Plants that rely on daily sunlight cycles would begin to die. Phytoplankton, the base of the ocean food chain, would stop producing oxygen. While Earth would not run out of oxygen in 24 hours, the damage to the system that produces it would be catastrophic. Animals adapted to cold might survive longer. Most would not. Ecosystems would begin collapsing silently, species by species. By hour 12, Earth would resemble a rogue planet, a dark world drifting through space. The average global temperature would have dropped by roughly 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Hurricanes and storms would rage as the atmosphere desperately redistributed the last remaining heat. The only places with relative warmth would be near geothermal sources, volcanic regions, hot springs, deep underground. Humanity's ancient enemies, cold and darkness, would once again rule the surface. Yet even now Earth would not freeze solid. The oceans would not turn to ice in a day. The planet's internal heat, combined with atmospheric insulation, would slow the process. This is what separates scientific reality from cinematic exaggeration. But survival would already be uncertain. As the hours tick toward 24, the long-term consequences would loom larger than the immediate cold. Without the sun's gravity, Earth would no longer orbit anything. It would move in a straight line, drifting through space at roughly 30 kilometers per second. The solar system would begin to unravel, planet by planet. Human civilization, built entirely around predictable sunlight, would be facing extinction-level disruption. Then, suddenly, after 24 hours of darkness, light would return, not gradually, instantly. The sun would reappear exactly where it was, as if nothing had happened. Photons would once again flood the planet. Temperatures would rise rapidly. Ice would begin to melt. Storms would intensify even further due to extreme thermal shock, but the damage would already be done. Millions of plants would be dead. Crops would be destroyed, food chains would be broken, animal populations would be devastated, power systems would remain unstable, economies would collapse under the shock. Humanity would survive, but scarred, changed, with a new understanding of just how fragile life truly is. In real history, the sun has been remarkably stable. It has burned consistently for billions of years and will continue to do so for billions more. Sudden disappearance is physically impossible according to everything we know about physics. Stars do not simply vanish. They die slowly over millions of years, or violently in supernovae that would obliterate Earth entirely. This scenario exists only in imagination, but its lesson is real. Life on Earth is balanced on a knife's edge. A single star, 150 million kilometers away, controls weather, food, energy, and survival itself. We do not live independently in the universe. We are deeply, irrevocably connected to it. And that raises a deeper question. If losing the sun for just 24 hours could bring Earth to the brink of collapse, what other invisible forces are we taking for granted right now? And what if one day something else disappears?